So what if you can extend your clips either forward or backwards without having to reshoot again or to seek for extra footages? Yes, that is what Filmora brings with the all-new AI Extend. Just like they introduced the AI Audio Extend in a previous version, you can now extend clips. So before you can do this, you must be upgraded to the all-new Filmora 15. You can check the description for a link to download it. All right, so to kickstart it, we're going to make use of the user guide that Filmora has given us. So when you open your Filmora, you're going to import your footage. So there is a template that Filmora has given us. Let's play back the video and see how it looks like. Pretty fine, right? But let's just assume that this video is short. We want to extend it so that the person can go a bit forward. So you can see the new AI Extend right over here. So you choose your AI Extend, you come to the bottom part here, and then you can left click and drag it. So depending on how long you want this to be extended to, but it can go a maximum of 8 seconds, right? So from 4, 5, 6 up to 8 seconds. Once you get to the maximum, you can leave your mouse, and now you're going to prompt it. So what do you want the extension to look like? You can prompt it to be something like a continuation of the video with same character, because I realized that sometimes if you don't specify, I tried this earlier on and it gave me a female character. So you can do this, and you can change your camera movement from static shot to any shots that you are going for. You can also change your resolution over here, and then you put in your timing as well. And now after you're done, you can go on and click on generate. After hitting on generate, there is going to take some time for you before it actually generates. So you might, depending on your internet though, so you might have to sit back and relax. Now mind you, if you're on a perpetual plan or any other subscription aside probably the yearly subscription, you might need AI credits, and this takes AI credits. But since I am on the annual subscription, that is why my AI credit shows unlimited over here. So if you're going to be using a lot of these stuff, you might actually have to consider your AI credits. After some time, you're going to have an extension like this, and my goodness, this is really great. You can see like how, so you play it back and you can see how this continues smoothly. And trust me, if this video is put together and is shown to you, you might probably not be able to figure out whether this was an extended version or this clip was actually short and was extended. Now let's try another scene. So I'm going to delete this one. Let's drag this onto the timeline, and then we can play this one over here. You take a very careful look at this one. Great. So now we're going to do the same thing. We pick up our AI extended tool, and then we can drag it to 8 seconds. The camera movement remains the same. The quality is 1080p and the length is 8 seconds. So we are going to put in here something like continue with the same pattern from the video. So basically how it's just moving, it should continue with the same thing, and then we can go ahead to click on generate. Now after some time, this is what you get. I mean, this is so good. So you can look at the original footage. The one on the left side is the original footage, and if you drag it in here, you can see the AI generated one. The only thing is, if you pay close attention, you can see that the AI extended one looks a bit darker. The original footage looks a bit brighter, and here there is some sort of darkness. But if you play it all over, my goodness, this looks so real. Honestly, if this is put together, there's no way you're going to find that this is actually, or this was actually generated by AI. And that is the beauty of the AI extended tool. It makes extending your videos very simple and easy for you without having to reshoot. Let me know your thoughts about this particular feature. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be covering the other features in the Filmora 15. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's Innocent here, and bye.